Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So it's a new video and it's a stationery haul. So all of this stuff which I'm going to be showing in this video is very kindly sent to me by Stationery Pearl. So Stationery Pearl is a website where you guys can easily find different types of Japanese and Korean stationery and different types of international brands like Zebra, Stabilo. So if you are living in India, you guys know the struggle of finding the Japanese and Korean stationery in India. So you guys can check their website out. They have amazing stationery. So now let's start with the stationery haul. So I really like the packaging, like it is wrapped in a pink paper and then it comes with a beautiful box, and it also contains some stuffing and also a thank you note. So I really like the packaging. So firstly I have this Monami fine liners. So this is a set of 36 pens and these were so inexpensive, so I just bought these. And look at the colors, it have all different types of colors like basic colors, pastel colors, neon colors. I really like the whole color scheme of this, and it also comes with a very good plastic box, so we do not need to worry about its storage. So first of all, its tip is very smooth and its tip gives a little bit a brush pen type of effect, which is good, and the colors are also very pigmented and the whole color scheme is so good. So nextly I bought these Stabilo Boss highlighters. So first of all, who doesn't know Stabilo? Stabilo is so much at the hype these days, and I also have their fine liners and they are really good. So I really want to try out their Boss highlighters. So while trying it out, I observed that the colors are very pigmented and they are very nice pastel colors, and I've also heard that these highlighters will last you very long, so very excited to try them out. So nextly I have this Zebra Sarasa gel pen and I have two of these in basic black colors. So I have heard about these pens a lot and I really want to try it out. Like I really want to try out this brand because this brand is also so much at the hype these days. So honestly saying, these are one of the best gel pens which I have ever tried. Like the tip is very smooth and the whole experience of writing with this is so good. So definitely try this out if you guys want any good black pen. So nextly I have these Zebra mind liners. So basically I've seen almost every study grammar owning these mind liners, so I really wanted to try it out. And it comes with dual tip, like the first tip is this highlighter tip and the second tip is a normal sketch pen tip. So that's how it is, and I really like it because it is sometimes it is very difficult to like carry such a bulky highlighters with you, so it's a good alternative. So that's how these highlighters are. I have this in a fluorescent set and these are a little bit thinner than the Stabilo highlighters, but these are really good. So nextly I have these Dong 8 twin liner. So when I saw these on their website, they look so similar to the Zebra ones, like the color scheme and everything was almost same. So I really want to try it out if they can be a good alternative to the Zebra mind liners, because Zebra mind liners are a little bit expensive but these are very cheap. And it also comes with the dual tip, one is highlighter tip and second one is sketch pen tip again, which is very similar to the Zebra ones. So now let's try it out how they are. So comparing these with Zebra mind liners, these are not as good as those because the Zebra mind liners are a little bit more smoother and they are more pigmented than these, and the sketch pen tip is more thicker than these. So overall these are good highlighters, but if we compare these with Zebra mind liners, these are not obviously that good. So if you are looking for a cheaper option, definitely try these out. So the next most interesting thing of this entire haul is this two line pens. So basically this is a pen which have two tips. I have never seen a dual line pen in my entire life, and when I saw this on their website I was like, I need to buy them, and these were so inexpensive. So that's how the tip of this pen looks like. So these are really good pens. Like if you guys want to like write down any headings or anything, these are really good, and the quality of these pens is also really nice. So nextly I have this watercolor brush pen set, and it have 20 brush pens. So I really wanted to buy brush pens from the longest time. Like as you all know, like I have only one brush pen set having 6 brush pens, so I purchased this. And this set also comes with this clear brush pen, so basically you guys can easily put your favorite watercolor in this, and it can be easily used as a brush pen. So basically these pens are not particularly for brush pens handwriting, but you guys can use this for that purpose too. So basically you have to dip the tip of this pen in the water, and then it will give you a nice watercolor effect. But here I am swatching this without any water, and it gives a nice vibrant colors. So nextly I have these Mala felt tip pens from IKEA. If I'm not wrong, these are from IKEA. So when I saw these, I don't know, like IKEA actually makes stationery, so I really want to try it out. So that's how the tip of these pens looks like. So it is little bit different from the usual sketch pen tip. So I think this tip will give you a good thin and thick strokes. And it comes in a set of 24 pens, which is quite a lot. So they do bleed a little through paper, but these are very nice and very pigmented pens, so I really like these. So nextly I have this pencil case in pink and white color. So the quality of this pencil case is really good. Like the quality of the zippers and the quality of the material used is really good, and it have quite a lot of compartments to store your pens, and it can store a lot of pens. And it also have the zipper in the bottom, so you guys can open up this and can easily extend this case if you guys have a lot of pens to store in it. So yeah, that's all about this, and this can provide you a lot of storage space. So as you guys can see, all 36 Monami pens can be easily stored in this single case. So nextly I have this iPhone case. So if you guys do not know, I really wanted to buy a purple iPhone, but it was a little bit expensive, so I chose white. So when I saw this cover, firstly this cover is really good, and it is purple, and I love purple color, so I just thought of buying this. And that's how it looks on the phone. It looks really good, and the quality of the cover is really good. Like the cover which I was using before, it is much better than that, and the buttons can be easily pressed by this cover. And the overall look of this cover is also really good, and this is one of my favorite item from this haul. So nextly I have a bunch of sticky notes. So firstly I have these post-it flags. So these post-it flags actually comes a lot more handy if you guys want to like bookmark anything on your book. And it also comes with a lot of colors to choose from. So nextly I have these sticky notes. So basically I saw these sticky notes earlier on Amazon India, and they were selling this for like 280 rupees, and I found these on just for like 7 cents on Stationery Pulp, which is a great thing. And the quality of these sticky notes is really good, and the colors, the whole color scheme is also really good, and the stick, it sticks so well. So nextly I have these sticky notes. So these are sort of a flag sticky notes. So these sticky notes also comes really handy if you guys want to bookmark anything on your book. And I bought this in this very good purple shade. So by this time you guys know like my favorite color is purple, so yeah. And the glue of this sticky notes is also really good. So nextly I have these sticky notes. So these are again a sort of sticky notes which you guys can easily mark on your book, like bookmark anything. And these sticky note, and I've purchased these in a set of blue and pink colors, and the colors are really good, and again they stick so well on any surface and can be easily used in your books and all. And at last, Stationery Pearl have sent me a lot of freebies. So firstly we have these stickers. So these are their own brand stickers. And at last they have sent me a bunch of cute little things like these erasers, these patches, and a lot of things. And at last I really wanted to thank Stationery Pearl once more for sending me out all of this stuff, and I will link their website down in the description box below just in case if you are interested in shopping from there. And I will link all the products which I've bought in the description box below, so do check out their website. So yeah, that's it for this haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I will see you guys in